Alright, so next step would be to get at the bottom of this website here, and you'll see that there's this maps here. So these are the maps that we link to. So we also have a map listing, so what we need to do is come down here to this section. So if you're on this page, you're just going to click, you can again go back to dashboard and navigate, or you can click at a page, but we'll just go back to dashboard again and go to pages, and then come down to home, and then edit, just so you know kind of how the lay of the land here. So let's go down to the bottom. So this would be the last section, because you can see, let's see here, I'm going to open this in a new window so we can look at it at the same time. This is the bottom section. Again, you have this section, the blue, which is this whole section here, which is in black. Okay, and we're going to take, these are all the different parts of the row. So let's look at this again. This is the row within the black container. Here's the section. You can see again that the section has the background, which is the color, that's what all of this is. And then the row is what holds these little spots. So you can see there's text and there's code, and then code. So code is essentially text that's turned into a part that brings this out, which is the map. So this is code, this is code, this is code, and this is text. You can see code, text. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the text and to make sure everything's good. Regina Towing Company. Okay, so this didn't get changed here, but we're just going to change this anyways to the actual phone number. So what is the phone number? Oh, sorry, go up. Okay, so it's 306 985 5090 5090. Okay, that's perfect. I'm just going to delete this section. We don't need that. So we just want the name and the phone number. Okay, we're going to save that, and then we're going to come over here where it says code. We're actually just going to delete this. Save it, and then delete this one too, because we're just going to add the new map, and then save it. And this one, I'm just going to delete this whole thing altogether. That's a YouTube video. I don't want you to add that right now because we don't have a video for you. But what I do want to do is change this into a double row. So see this part right here. This will actually change it into however you want this section to be laid out. I just want you to come here and click the 2 row. Okay, so we're going to delete one of these codes here. We're going to add a code here. I'll show you exactly what we're doing down here, but we're just going to save that. Going to click that. We're going to come back in and edit it by clicking this later, but let's go in and edit this section right here. So this is code for the map. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and just open a new window and go to maps.google.com. And we're going to find Regina Towing Company by searching it. So you can see this is the one, Regina Tow Company, which if you go into your page, you can see this is the exact one. So make sure we find that, click it. Okay, now it's going to bring up our map listing. And we're going to want to click share. And then it's going to give you 2 options. But what we want to do is embed a map, copy HTML, come back to our edit page. We still have the code settings up. Again, we'll just exit out of it. So again, code, hit the settings, and then click here, and then Control V as in paste it, and then save it. Okay, now if we update the page, and we're going to come here and we're going to refresh it all the way to the bottom, you'll see now that it's linked to our actual map, not the Van City map. Okay, and over here you got this space here, so we're going to add, this is where the other code, there's nothing here yet, so we're going to add the code right now. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to search for that property. So we're going to search Regina Towing Company. So it's not any of these ones here. You'll have to cross-reference it with the phone number. You'll see this is the one right here. So that's the actual phone number. So you can come in here. Sorry, I'm just going to exit that page, and you'll see this is the phone number. So we're finding this one here. We're going to click it, the listing. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we are going to go to the website that's listed. Okay, this website right here, we're just going to delete this stuff here, okay? Because we want it just to be this URL right at the end where it says site. We're going to copy this, okay? We're going to go to embed, embed.ly/code. Okay, this is going to give us code to embed it in our website at the bottom. Okay, so we're just going to come here, we're going to click this, and we're going to copy it. Okay, this is the embedded code. Okay, so this little section here is going to pop up right in our website. So we're going to go back in. Oh, I'm going to exit that page. I'm going to go to the bottom again now. So we're going to go find that second spot there with the code. Click the settings. Okay, and we're going to Control V. We're going to paste it. Now we're going to update it, and we're going to refresh our screen. So you can see now that this website that is actually, if we click it, this is another website that we set up. So it just gives us authority. Okay, so this is just basically another website. This is our website that connects to the map. So we want to add that to the page because it gives it juice, link juice, letting Google know when they crawl our website that we're linked to this website, which is also linked to our maps, which is this site here. So this is all part of SEO. So anyway, so we want to have that. Now that we have that, we're back on the edit page again. So all the way to the bottom. To make this super easy for later, you just click this little icon here and you save it. So what we're going to name it is maps at bottom. Okay, we're going to save the library. And I'll show you on the next video when we're going through, it might not be the next one, but for later, that when you're coming in here to do your sections on all your pages, actually I'll just do it right now. So we'll click pages, and we're going to delete these pages. I'm going to show you how to do that. But let's say car lockout or about us. So we'll click edit. So we'll come down here. So this section right here, let's take a look at this page by clicking preview page. It'll open up a new window. So this has, okay, find us here. We want to delete these because these are links to, like you can see here, these are links to actual Van City. So if I open this, oh, it's not, I don't know why that's not working, but you'll see that this is Van City Towing. We don't want these links to go out to that because we are Regina Towing Company on this website. So let's go back to edit page. Okay, this is the page again, right? So remind you, it's about us. We went into pages and then about us to edit it, and this brought up this. So this whole section here, we're just going to delete this because that was that section, find us here, which the stuff here, we don't want that. But what we do want is we do want to do a new one. So we'll do right here, we'll add, actually we can just add it right here as a row. So you have the accordion, add that, and then add from library. So instead of the blue is going to add a whole new section. We don't, because there already is a section here that we're going to add to. Okay, that black box there, this whole part, we can add to it. So we'll just click a row. We just want to add a row. Okay, and then add from library, and then click here maps at bottom. Now update it. Now I'll preview the changes. So this is, again, this is uploading, and this is the new, what it would look like. So now you have the maps. Okay, so you're going to do that on all the pages. You're just going to come down here at the bottom and add this section. Okay, on to the next video.